Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Did Warren Buffett, the man often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, engage in insider trading? This is a question that has left many astounded, considering Buffett's sterling reputation as one of the world's most successful investors. Known for his integrity and financial acumen, the mere suggestion of such a transgression has sent ripples across the investment community. Why is this question significant? Because the answer could impact Buffett's legacy and the world of finance as we know it. Let's delve into the timeline of events that led to this controversy. Our story begins in the year 2011, when Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway purchased a 5% stake in Bank of America. This was a time when the banking giant was struggling, its financial health severely impacted by the subprime mortgage crisis. The clouds of financial uncertainty were hovering, and yet, the sage of Omaha saw an opportunity. Berkshire Hathaway's investment was not just a lifeline for Bank of America, it was a beacon of hope for the banking industry. Buffett's move, as always, was calculated and strategic. But the timing, that's where things get interesting. Shortly after the investment, Bank of America started to recover. Its stocks that were once tumbling started to climb. Some said it was the Buffett effect. Others called it a coincidence. But the skeptics, they started to question. They pointed out the unusual timing of the investment, the uncanny recovery of Bank of America, and Buffett's subsequent actions. Buffett, known for his long-term investment strategies, started to sell his Bank of America shares in 2020. This was a move that raised eyebrows. Why would he sell a profitable stake? Was it insider trading or just another strategic move by the Oracle of Omaha? This brings us to the crux of the controversy. So what exactly is the controversy here, and what evidence is there to support these claims of insider trading? The heart of the controversy revolves around the timing of Warren Buffett's investment into Bank of America in 2011. At a time when the bank was struggling, Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway swooped in with a $5 billion investment. The unusual part? This investment occurred just days before the bank announced a $50 billion settlement with the Department of Justice. This raised eyebrows and sparked allegations of insider trading. ProPublica, a non-profit newsroom, pounced on these suspicions and meticulously dissected Buffett's actions. They pointed out the uncanny timing of the investment and the subsequent actions taken by Buffett. ProPublica presented their evidence: the timing of the investment, Buffett's close ties with the bank, and the substantial profit made by Berkshire Hathaway after the settlement was announced. But what has been the response from Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway? They have vehemently denied any wrongdoing. Buffett has stated that the investment was made based on public information and his belief in the future of the bank. Berkshire Hathaway, on the other hand, has maintained that their actions were completely legal and transparent. However, this controversy has stirred up a hornet's nest. Critics argue that such an investment, timed so closely with the announcement of a massive settlement, raises questions about the integrity of the markets. Others question if this is just a case of Buffett's legendary investment foresight or something more sinister. The Securities and Exchange Commission, the watchdog of Wall Street, has remained silent on the matter. This silence has further fueled the debate, leaving room for speculation and conjecture. While the debate continues, one thing is clear: the Oracle of Omaha's reputation has been questioned like never before.